A very good morning to my lecturer and my beloved friends. I'm Harindra Anaki Chandrasekhar, 10 DDT 21F 2029. I'm here to to present about quantum rule. It's about differentiation. My teammates and I going to explain about the quantum rule. My teammates name Ravindran Sundararajan, 10 DDT 21F 11 11 2022. The second one is Harish Madan Raj, 10 DDT 21F 22 33. My part, I'm going to explain about quantum rule and the formula. First of all, I'm going to explain about the meaning of quantum rule. In calculus, the quantum rule is a method of finding of a function that is the ratio no, is the ratio of two different table function. The second one is the formula. Formula will begin in dy per dx equal v du per dx minus u dv per dx. At the down, v power of 2. Here, I'm going to show about dy per dx is what, v is what, du per dx is what, u is what, dv per dx is what. First is dy per dx. Sorry, dy per dx. Here it's known as derivative of y with respect to x. The second one is v, known as variable v. The third one is du per dx, known as derivative of u with respect to x. U is variable u. The last one is dv per dx will be derivative of v with respect to x. This is the part of the meaning of the control.
Hi guys, my name is Arish Maranraj, son of Saraju. My metric card number is 10DDT21F2033. Today I want to explain about question rule. My question is for bracket 4x minus 5 power of 2 divided by x power 3 minus 5. D divided by dx big bracket 4x minus 5 power of 2 point bracket x power of 3 minus 5 minus bracket 4x minus 5 power of 2 dot dx d over dx bracket x3 x power of 3 minus 5. So the second answer is 2 bracket 4x minus 5 point d divided by dx bracket 4x minus 5 dot bracket x power of 3 minus 5 minus bracket 4x minus 5 power of 2. So big bracket, we must put the question into the bracket. D divided by dx bracket x power of 3 plus d over dx bracket minus 5 close the bracket is divided by the x power of 3 minus 5 power of 2. So the next step is 2 bracket 4x minus 5 break bracket 4 point d over dx bracket x plus d over dx bracket minus 5 bracket x3 minus 5 minus bracket 4x minus 5 power of 2 bracket 3 x power of 2 plus 0 divided by x power of 3 minus 5 power of 2. The next step is 2 bracket 4x minus 5 bracket 4.1 plus 0 bracket x power of 3 minus 5 minus 3x power of 2 point bracket 4x minus 5 power of 2 divided by x power of 3 minus 5 power of 3. The next step is the next answer for the next step is x bracket of 4x minus 5 bracket x power of 3 minus 5 minus 3x power of 2.4 x minus 5 power of 2 is divided by x bracket x power of 3 minus 5 power of 2. So it will get the answer. The alternative result is 8 bracket 4x minus 5 divided by over x power of 3 minus 5 minus 3 power x power of 2 4 bracket 4x minus 5 power of 2 divided by over bracket x power of 3 minus 5 power of 2. So we can simplify of the answer. It can be the alternate result and simplify. So I want to use the simplify because it can be more smaller than the answer for the simplify is negative bracket 4x minus 5 bracket 4x power of 3 minus 15 x power of 2 plus 40 divide over bracket x3 minus 5 power of 2. So it is the natural way for get the answer for this question. So I prefer to use the natural way because natural way can get us the correct answer. That's all. Thank you.
A very good evening to my lecturer and my friends. Now I'm going to talk about solving this math problem using online tool. The online tool we selected today is derivative calculator from online. So first we need to log in into this application and we need to insert our input, which is open the bracket 4x minus 5 close the bracket in the power of 2 over x in the power of 3 minus 5. After we insert our input and press the button go, it will straightly take us to the answer, which we can use to reconfirm our answer when we use the common way to solve the problem. The answer provided is negative, open the bracket 4x minus 5 close the bracket, open the bracket 4x power of 3 minus 15x power of 2 plus 40 close the bracket over 4x power of 3 negative 5 close the bracket and the power of 2. If we want to know the steps, we can click at the show steps button to we can until we can see the steps of the question. When you press at the show step button, it will provide the steps. It will straightly take us to the answer, which is step which is 2, open the bracket for x minus 5 close the bracket, open the bracket for d over dx in the bracket x plus d over dx in the bracket negative 5, in the bracket x power of 3 minus 5 minus 4x minus 5 close the bracket power of 2, and then over x power of 3 minus 5 close the bracket power of 2, and it will simplify and give us the alternative result, which is 2 8 close the bracket 4x minus 5 close the bracket over x power of 3 minus 5 minus 3x power of 2 open the bracket 4x minus 5 close the bracket power of 2 over x power of 3 minus 5 close the bracket power of 2, and it will automatically simplify the answer and rewrite it as negative open the bracket 4x minus 5 close the bracket 4x3 minus 15x2 plus 40 close the bracket over x power of 3 minus 5 power of 2. That's all from using the digital tool. If you want to recheck the answer, you can look at the screenshots below. Thank you. And now we are going to talk about the whole conclusion of our presentation today. The method which called the lecturer's method, which also called the common method, which is more easier than the apps method, because it's easier to understand as personally, and we only must use the formula given to answer our final exam or questions in our final exam, and there is no need of a digital tool everywhere we go when we use the common method. Meanwhile, tool method shows a very deep and elaborate working of question rule and differentiation techniques. After solving the question using the common method, we can use the app to reconfirm the answer or reconfirm the method we used to calculate the question. And we can also use this app when there is a mathematical emergency. That's all from us today. Thank you and have a great day.